Who's your starting five?
Damn, I'm starting five? Man, that's hard. Magic at one, just because he's 6'9", he can see everybody, right? I gotta go MJ. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put Kobe on my two. Kobe gonna be my two.
Wait, hold on, wait. You left it.
I got Kobe at my two.
He said what he said.
I got Kobe at my two.
He said what he said. Don't argue with the man.
I got Kobe at my two. I know you're gonna say MJ. I'm supposed to do that. Shout to MJ because he the god and we copied him and shit. But I got Kobe at my two.
Come on.
I'm putting KD at my three. He's like a real fade. You know what I'm saying?